Is the Harbor Freight Welding Cart worth $40? Why, yes it is. Is it better than our C5 Corvette we turned into a Jeep Hot Rod? No, nothing's better than that. But is it worth $40? Yes, it's worth $40. Comes with 2 chains to securely fasten your gas tank. It has 2 shelves for all your welding accessories that we have none of. It has these 2 little nifty hooks for your welding things and such. And also a welder sits on top of it. Okay, so we got it all assembled. The only thing I'm unhappy with is this chain's length is kind of awkward, so it's loose on the bottom, so I shoved some cardboard back there to make this tight up there and still do nothing down there. All the bolts were covered in grease and oil. I think that's China's way of preventing them from rusting or something like that. You can see it right there on my fingers. Other than that, the welder fits, the gas tank fits. It rolls quite nicely. Very easy to move. The welder fits on it fine. Door opens up still. Fun fact, Harbor Freight's own welder does not clear their door, does not clear their own cart, which is kind of funny, but it works well for this. So for $40, that was very well worth it. Took probably a good 30 minutes to put together, but it wasn't hard at all. And I'm super pumped that I bought it because I was using that thing and it was a nightmare. And I've bumped the gas tank a couple times and it's teeter-tottered. So that was well worth it. Even with it being loose, I mean, it's not going anywhere. So well worth it. It was $40. I don't know if that was a sale price, but that's what I paid. I also have their regulator on here, which so far is so good. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Miata update very soon. Ta-da! No update on the Jeep Vet. Ta-da! And no update on the MR2 Bug. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.